Hi everyone, this is Galaxy S9 Plus, and you can see I'm going to do some new test here, and here is the model number, and then here is Galaxy S9. So I'm going to test with Galaxy S9 versus LG V30 side by side, real versus Galaxy S9 Plus versus LG V30. So both devices here, you can see very neat and clean, perfect, nothing. So guys, here is the start of the both devices. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus versus LG V30. So you can see here the both devices head to head, and it's going to show the real power, which one is strongest device. You see many tests before, drop test, torture test, but this is the really LG versus Samsung. LG V30 versus Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and the both devices are head to head here. The real fight between the two devices, and you can see here both are working. You can see same timing, 10:17, 10:17, 3 June, 3 June. So you can see here, I'm going to start. Let's fight and see what's the result. Here is the both devices, and Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus versus LG V30. So what we're going to do, the real fight you never seen before, I'm sure. So what I'm going to do, I will turn exactly, I will make it far from distance here to here and hit by bumper to bumper right here. Wow, exactly. Let's see which one will be more hurt. Another. Now I think it's not much, and now I'm going more far, and 1, 2, 3. Yes, I didn't know, I just leave it, and let's do it the back side. That was the front, the both side front. Now I'm going to do the back test from the back side, and 1, 2, 3, right? Oh, it's get some scratches, but I will show you later. Let me try a second time. Which device is more stronger and more reliable? 1, 2, 3. Oh, but that was missed because it's not balanced a little bit. Actually this is balanced, but once I'm going to start, I want to hit exactly in the same way. Yeah, so that was the test. Let's see the scratches. Next I'm going to hit side by side. So just now I done front and back, and this is the last test I'm doing side by side, and let's see which device will be, I hope it will be 1, 2, 3. So I try, and one time more front, a bit far. So after I will see how about the scratches. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ooh, that's a real hit. Okay, so let me check here. I will bring out in front of you the both devices here a little bit. Oh. So both devices in my hand. If you see, the back side is of course nothing, but the front side of the both devices is, look, here have some scratch, you can see here, and Samsung Galaxy S look quite better, but LG also look slightly scratches here, but this side have much scratches. You can see one here and one here. Compared to the Galaxy have slightly a hair scratch, if you see, right? And if you see this side, very clear, but Galaxy S9 Plus have slightly bump, but LG don't have. But this side is, both devices are very clear and clean, the corners, and the back side I do also clear. But Samsung Galaxy S9 really hits LG in this side, so I will consider the Samsung Galaxy S9 is winner, because compared to this bump, is this side is not so visible, it's not that strong, but Galaxy S9 Plus is really hit this area. It's really, so anyway, hope you like the test. It's the both devices, as you can see here, the LG V30. If you see here, LG V30, and here is both devices. I don't want to cut, so here you can see this straight. This is Galaxy S9 Plus, exactly. So that was the test. Hope you like it, and if you like it, in the soon future I will going to do with Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus versus iPhone X and Sony Ericsson and another models. So for a while, this test, hope you like it. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.